Tyler, I have an Electrolux electric range with a E35 error code. I've replaced both control boards and still there. Can you offer some assistance? Hi. I'm still waiting for an answer on the range E35 issue.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. That error is indicative of a voltage issue. Are you able to test the incoming voltage at the cord? May I please have your model number so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.